Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your jeans, and the reason why I want to cut these jeans, for instance, is because I bought them online a few years back and they were too long and I've never used them, but I just love the color on them and the fit is really nice, but they're too long. So what you want to do now is you want to get a pair of jeans. So the reason why we want to do this is because we can get our jeans too long, or we just want to show a little bit more ankle and have a little rough look. So that's what we're gonna do. So all you need today, you need a pair of tape and a pair of scissors. What we want to do, we want to start off by wearing our jeans, and we want to fold the jeans to where we want to have it, roughly around the ankles, maybe a little higher, depending on what you like. As you can see, they're folded. Got them folded, and what we want to do is we want to take a piece of tape. So what we want to do is to take a piece of tape and just line it inside of the jeans, just roughly, and then we want to unfold them so we have it there, okay, as well. So with that being said, we're going to start off by cutting. And we'll do the same with the other one as well. So there we have it. Perfectly cut. And then what we want to do is we want to get a knife, or we can just use the scissors, and we want to type it up like this. We want to rough up the edges. To get a rough look. And this look, it will get more rough when you put them in the washing machine for one time, and it will slowly get rougher by the day. So what we want to do is we want to keep doing that, and we want to get some tweezers, or you can just use your fingers and tweeze it up a little bit to get that rough look. So there we have it. A little rough edges, and we're done.